the name of God. Title: Study of Biodiversity of the Arak University Watershed. Presented by Dr. Amir Ansari, faculty member of the Department of Environment. Introduction: the most important change include the reduction of gene diversity, species, and biodiversity of communities. Biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth. It has many values and functions. Biodiversity in many areas has decreased due to human activities and habitat loss. Habitat loss and fragmentation are linked with other factors such as pollution, hunting, land use change. Species survival depends on meeting habitat needs. They are like food, shelter. The only 25% of the world's mammals have enough data, and this number is often endangered. Study area: Arak University Watershed area of 6,024 hectares. Climate of the semi-arid region. Position: Arak University in Markazi province in Iran. Method: resources review, field visit, linear transect and point transect, and direct observation. Install a camera trap, binocular, camera, GPS. Result: types of habitats in the area: 1. Mount habitat, 2. Forest habitat, 3. Hill habitat, 4. River and wetland habitat. Position: habitat in Arak University. Result: oyster fossil, wild goat petroglyph. Result: species, plants 15.4 space, bird 30, mammals 8, reptiles and amphibians 6 space. Animals of their region: beautiful. Plants of their region: fog snakes in the area, burial of valens by crows on campus, golden age, cat-like camera trap, choker camera trap. Area: reptiles, agama snake, the crow snakes, kestrel, tout, lagan, Mount Modar year, refuse. Trade feed carnivores from plastic waste. Trade livestock in the area. Trade dogs. Saker falcon is endangered. Turtle and agama in vulnerable position. View. Fertilizers is endangered IUCN. The most important threat to biodiversity in the region include the development of Arak city into the region and habitat destruction, overhunting, livestock and dogs, road construction and disconnection of this habitat with surrounding habitats, feeding wildlife from urban waste, unprincipled nature tourism. Goodbye.